So again guys, ito ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-smoke exec ng B. So yung ibang smokes dito, gawa-gawa ko lang talaga. Not until na may maano talaga kayo, may ma-distinguish kayo na very common na just like this. This is how you smoke window market. So yan, just jump bro. Then this is how you smoke doors market. Yung papasok ng market. So it's either crouch, aim here, then walk, jump bro. Diba? See? Lands there. So you can do another variant ng smoke na yan, but lands at the same place. So you can just aim here, dito, yan sa corner na yan, then jump throw. Lands at the same spot. Diba? Lands at the same spot. Then here's how you smoke short ng buo. Then align yourself here, up, here, then up, up, up. Yan. Until tumama kayo dito. Yan. Sa tingin yung pantay na. So, up. Yan. 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 Ito. Yan. No. Ito pala. So, medyo matagal siya. So, you have to hold. Diba? Yan. For example, ikaw yung short player. Nakakita.